Damn, yo, this shit crazy.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's Done Dotted the Biggest. I'm back with another banger. We got another canvas, man. We finna do a high taper on these braids, man. Nice and simple steps to get it groovy, man. Y'all stay, watch, like, subscribe, and let me know how I did. I'm gonna do some step-by-step work and show y'all really how to get it nice, man. Hopefully I can help a lot of people out there, beginners, barbers, people just want to learn how to cut hair. Stick around, watch me, and let me get you right. Getting into my ball line, that's my first guideline I'm gonna do on this hot taper. That's what's gonna kick that thing off, you dig, get it real nice and groovy. Going up with my lever open, about an inch. I want this fade to be high, so usually I do half an inches on fades, but I'm gonna do an inch on here because we doing a high taper. I'm opening and closing my lever. In the middle I'm going halfway, and then I'm gonna close it all the way up to knock that ball line out. Making sure you keep real consistent with these guidelines, man. Making sure they nice and crispy. This what's gonna make that fade pop. Stretching the skin, making sure you get the canvas nice and stretched out because it's like elastic. When you stretch, you can fade through that. Now I got my one guard and I got it closed. I'm just opening halfway right there. Just staying real consistent in my round. Not going too high, not going too low. Combing, always comb, brush, fade. Comb, brush, fade. Now I got the lever wide open and I'm just attacking the top of that fade. Now I'm getting it all groovy. Make sure it come to life. Now using my masters open, and I'm gonna just flick that guideline out, man. I apologize for keeping my big shoulder all in the camera, man. I had it at a bad angle. I just worked through this because this cut is gonna come out fire, and I really wanted y'all to see it. So I just flicked that line out with my lever open. Now I'm about to attack this beard. I do the same thing that I do with my fades, you know. So I'm gonna go with my lever open. I'm gonna close it, and then I'm gonna knock it out with my one guard. Same steps. You fade the hair, you fade the beard. It's all the same steps. Once you get into this stuff, man, it's just repetitive. You gonna get it. You keep your same steps on every canvas, man. Don't change your step because you got a straight hair, a coarse hair. You keep all your steps the same, and it's gonna come out the same every time. Getting into this back area, I'm debulking with my one guard with the grain. I'm gonna just do the same steps I did on the side, man. I'm keeping my stuff consistent, man. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just perfecting whatever I do. I'm gonna do the same thing and perfect it. I don't want to keep jumping from guidelines to guidelines or different ways how to fade because now I'm gonna be all over the place. I'm gonna overthink the fade. That's what most people do. They overthink fades. Fading is simple. It's simple. 1, 2, 3 up and 1, 2, 3 down, and it's gonna flux. Just stick to the same thing, man. It's my raking technique, man, with my lever open. I'm not all the way down on the scalp. I'm just raking it. That could be a disaster if you do it wrong, man. So make sure you know what you're doing before you start the raking thing, and just start from the lower before you go to the top. Flicking that line out that I created, and then it's just gonna flush this whole taper out. Y'all come check me out, man. I'm in Houston, Texas, man. I get this sauce all day long, man. This dripping sauce, man. You want these haircuts? Come visit me, man. Look me up, Done Cut It on Instagram, and book me, man. You can get some of this sauce, man. I'm just prepping my canvas for the kill now. I'm putting that hairspray on, and I'm finna get right to it. I'm gonna start right in the middle and work my way to the right. And then I'm gonna hit them vertical bars, man. I'm staying real nice and consistent. I'm not mashing down too hard. I don't want to cut the skin or nick the skin. So I'm just staying consistent. As you can see, man, these babblers, they one-hit wonders, man. They one-hit kills. I'ma hit this vertical bar and pull back. Hit it and pull back. What I do to one side, I do to the other. So I'm going to just hit this side and get it real nice and crispy as well. Hitting that back neck area, making sure I go around the ears. Make sure you get around that ear, man, because that's really important. That makes that haircut really pop. As you can see, man, I ain't did too much on this haircut, but it's coming out fire, man. It's all natural right now. I'm gonna put a little to it, but man, as you can see, man, it's already popping right now. Now this is why I get groovy, man. I love doing beards. I'm getting the back of that beard, making sure I keep it as wide as possible. He don't want me to go in too much on that beard, so I'm staying consistent. I'm giving him what he wants. That banger. My boy walk in, get dabs, feeling good, looking good. Know he finna get out this chair with a fire haircut, man. This haircut gonna last for a while. Go to work, go everywhere, man, with this haircut, you dig? I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, man. What I do on one side, I kill the other side. That's how I go. But yeah, man, y'all like, share, and subscribe, man. I got some bangers coming for y'all, man. Hit that notification bell, man, so when I drop something, y'all get all the heat, man. Tell me what I need to do, what I need to improve on, what you want to see me cut. I could cut it all, man. Just let me know. Now I'm going in there with some temptation, man. Giving it a little boost. That's all I want to give it. Hit them little edges where it was kind of light at, and I want to give it that to it. Finna highlight this edge up, man. Just go in with my barber pencil and highlight that edge up. I'm gonna put it in and I'm gonna take it right back out. I don't want to leave it with no big chalky line, so I'm gonna put this thing in and take it right back out. Make sure I highlight this edge up so it can really pop for y'all. As I said, man, I'm taking it right back out, man. I'm hitting them vertical bars. Make sure when you hit your vertical bars, aim towards the eyebrow. Don't go all the way down. Aim towards the eyebrow. That's how you get that perfect angle of that vertical bar. Now here go my favorite part. This the money shot. This the kill shot. This is why I get groovy, man. I'm angling that razor at a 45-degree angle, and I'm pulling that skin back, and I'm getting groovy, man. This is what give me my big bucks, man. This these $100 cuts right here. This that fire. It's that edge up, man. Getting that razor cut all the way groovy. Now I'm going to pull the skin back and get that beard going, making sure I get it nice and crispy. We want to keep this beard as wide as possible, so I'm not trying to make a super crispy line. I'm just trying to make a line that pop so that hair could grow in and be a full nice beard. And YouTube, this is the cut, man. If you like it, let me know. If you think I should improve in something, let me know in the comment. Like, share, subscribe. As you can see, man, my man know he looking good, man. Edge up on 1,000, taper on 1,000, beard on 2,000. Yeah, that's what we do, man. Drip that sauce in Houston from Don Dot to the biggest. You dig? Tap in with me, man. Thank y'all.